Hey everybody, what's good? So I am back with another natural hair video. And in this video I am going to try and attempt to do a wash and go again. The last one, it wasn't all that, but it was just cute. But I want my wash and go to be popping. That's what I want. I want my wash and go to be popping. Okay? So with the help of Jamaican Mango and Lime Pure Naturals, and your guys' help, your guys' advice in my last wash and go video, I am hoping that I can get the most bomb braid out in the history of braid out. That is the goal. So the Jamaican Mango and Lime Pure Naturals line, coconut, milk, and honey is all I will be using in this video. Everything from one line. I feel like if everything's from one line, everything has to work out. So my hair has to come out right? That's how I feel. That is exactly how I feel. So I'm ready. Are y'all ready? I'm excited. So my hair is dirty. I do need to go and wash it. I just took it out of some cornrows that I had in for a few days. So that's why I look like this. But what I'm gonna go and do first is shampoo my hair with the coconut milk and honey shampoo. I'm excited to use this shampoo because it has a blend of vitamins and natural oils that are supposed to clean and strengthen my hair. I'm excited to see that it has oils in it because I find that sometimes I have to pre-poo, and usually with the pre-poo you use an oil because you don't want your hair to dry out. But because this shampoo has an oil in it already, I feel like I'm able to skip the pre-poo stage and come out with moisturized shampooed hair. So that's what I'm going to go and quickly do, and then I will be right back. Okay y'all, this shampoo is gold. Like, I can't believe how much I like this shampoo. It's a very water-based shampoo for sure. You can probably hear it. It's very water-based. It's not a creamy shampoo, but that's what I liked about it. And like I suspected, my hair is moisturized coming out of that. So now I am going to go in and apply their moisture mask. This is a very thick consistency. But I like that. I like my masks to be thick. What this mask claims to do is provide intense moisture, soothe hair fibers, repair split ends, control shine and frizz, add gloss, and strengthen the hair. So that's what's up. I also need to let y'all know how good this line smells. The only word I can use to describe it is it smells amazing. It smells, every single last product smells very tropical. That's the best way that I can describe the smell. It smells very tropical. I've never smelled any hair products that smell like this, and I'm obsessed with how this smells. Even when I was done shampooing my hair, my bathroom smelled all tropical-y because of the shampoo. So I was like, hey, I like this. Y'all know I like to be very generous with my products. Well, especially my mask products. When I'm doing like a deep treatment, I like to be very generous. So the mask is all in. I'm gonna go and apply a cap and leave it on for probably like 20-30 minutes. Rinse it out, and then I will be back to try and attempt this go part. The wash is done. Now we gotta do the go. Okay? And I hope it comes out so right. Okay y'all, the deep mask is all rinsed out. My hair feels and it looks great. And now it's time to tackle the main part of the wash and go. I'm kind of nervous, just a little bit, So what I'm gonna do first is part my hair, and then I'm going to apply the coconut leave-in conditioner and detangler. My hair is actually pretty detangled already just from the shampoo and Sorry, I'm having difficulties multitasking right now. I have this section here parted out. I got my dimming brush. I'm gonna use this more heavy. I didn't use it as often in my other wash and go. With spray bottle products, I prefer to spray them in my hand and then rub it in the section rather than spray the section. Just spraying this on my hand first. This smells good too. Gonna apply that to the section. Just comb through the section. So next I'm going to go in with the coconut buttercream. This says that it moisturizes and detangles dry hair. It's also excellent for twists. It locks in moisture, defines coils and curls, and eliminates frizz. And it says it works well when multi-styling natural hair. Starting with my ends. And then I'm gonna move my way up. Now I'm going in with the curling Gelo. This is a curl definer. This is meant to help moisturize, define, and elongate curls and enhance waves. Has a super soft hold and a brilliant shine. If this is meant to elongate curls, I'm mad excited. When I did my last wash and go, you guys said I was not putting enough gel. So I'm gonna make sure that I am very, very generous with the amount of gel that I apply this time around. Okay, cool. Now I know what y'all mean about applying more gel. I don't think I've ever seen my hair this clumped together and defined before. This is plopping like a head. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed right now. Okay, so next section. The back of my head and the front of my head are looser than the crown of my head, if that makes sense. So just to activate the curl, I am just finger coiling it. It'll start out looking pretty wavy at first, but as it dries, it'll start to curl up. I am done. I got all the products in. I got every single last strand coated. I do definitely have a definition all over my entire head, which is something I'm not able to do a lot. I also like how heavy my hair feels right now. A lot. So I'm gonna stop touching my head. I'm gonna do some of these because I like the way my head feels when I do this, when my hair is like heavy. But y'all, so far this wash and go is a success. I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit, but right now y'all, this thing is juicy. Y'all, look at my hair. It's not 100% dry. It's still a little damp at the roots, but it's getting there. It's almost dry. I don't think the gel elongated my curls. I can definitely say that, like, as my hair started to grow, I don't feel like as my hair started to dry, it's been shrinking up, so I don't feel like the gel elongated my curls, but it definitely clumped my curls. I have like a lot of definition all over my head, which is something I'm not usually able to get. Yeah, last thing I'm going to add to my hair is this Shea styling oil serum. This oil provides shine and frizz control. Okay, I'm gonna spray this in my hands. And this too smells really good. What the heck? This whole line smells good, y'all. My hair feels really good. It smells really good. So I'm really happy that I was able to try out this line. And it's an affordable line, which is cool. I believe all the products are $10 and under. I am impressed with how my hair turned out for sure. I wish I would have got the elongation that the gel said I would get, because I definitely did get shrinkage. But my hair is still super defined even though it has shrunk. These are definitely products that I am going to continue to use because there wasn't anything in this line that I felt was unnecessary. You know, I liked it all. I would probably try and find a gel that I can use with that gel that'll help with elongation, but for the most part it gave me definition, so I'm happy with that. I'm happy that I found something that can give me definition, you know. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you didn't, keep your thumbs to yourself. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.